Hey guys, this is Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Klipsch T5 II True Wireless Earbuds. Stay tuned right after the intro. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and unbox the Klipsch T5 II Wireless Earbuds. So there's a copper Klipsch seal on the bottom here. We're going to go ahead and cut it in two spots. Right at the edge of the jacket, and then once here where the flap is. So we're going to remove the outer jacket. On the bottom of the flap it says true comfort, true performance, true independence, true you. So underneath the flap here we have the true story, which we'll have off to the side here so you can read that. We have the user manual, a foam piece there. Right here is the instructions for how to get the earbuds in sync. So what you do is you remove the earbuds, put it into the charging case for 2 seconds, and then you sync it with the app. You pair it with your phone or tablet with the app there. This is compatible with the Klipsch Connect app, so you can do all sorts of EQ and things like that with it. Underneath this piece here, we open this up. Under here are 5 pairs of Klipsch's patented oval earbuds, or oval earpieces. So instead of a traditional round shape, they are oval in shape to better fit into the ear canal. There's 5 different sizes, so you can pick whichever one fits your ear the best. Underneath that, we have in this little pouch here, we have a USB-C cable as well as a USB-A to USB-C adapter. The USB-C cable is a nice has a nice braided cover on it with black and copper. Again, the copper is a theme, as Klipsch is known for their copper woofers. So that side, and then a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Underneath that we have the limited warranty information card. Then we have the left and right earbuds, as well as the charging case. As you can see, this is the gunmetal finish. This also comes in silver. So we're going to go ahead and remove the Zippo style case and then the 2 earbuds. So as you can see, the case has the Klipsch logo and information here. Case opens up just like a Zippo does, Zippo lighter. And you can hear it say nice. This is all aluminum. The back has a USB-C case here, or a USB-C port for charging. This is nice that you can set it on any surface, upside down or just like that. This is not going to go anywhere if you set it down on a table. It does wobble a little bit if it's in any of the other sides. However, you don't have to worry about other designs. This is a nice sturdy design. So we open up the case here, and you can see on the bottom it says left, and the other earbud says right, or R for right. And then in the case, the L is in white and the R is red, so you know which earbud goes into which side. So we're going to go ahead and put the earbuds in, and see they're turning red. So at this point, you can also see the battery meter on here. So at this point, we can go ahead and pair the earbuds with our phone or mobile device, however you want to go and do that. So we're going to go ahead now and show you all the features and all the specs of the Klipsch T5 II wireless earbuds. The T5 II true wireless earphones from Klipsch provide unrivaled comfort, lasting battery life, and uncompromising sound quality. After 60+ years of making legendary loudspeakers, we built upon our bold audio heritage to revolutionize the headphone industry. Since 2007, we have been creating the most innovative headphones on the market. We are the performance and comfort winners, period. The same advanced acoustic engineering and industrial design from our legendary home theater speakers provide the performance, voice, and design for the T5 II series headphones. They are engineered for pure performance and designed to be the best sounding, most comfortable earphones on earth, and the embodiment of legendary Klipsch sound. Patented oval ear tips. Klipsch T5-2 earphones include 6 pairs of patented contour ear tips that are designed to accurately sit inside the ear canal. The soft oval silicone tips reduce ear fatigue, provide the ultimate comfort, and an excellent seal for noise isolation and superior bass. They fit better, they feel better, and only Klipsch has them. High clarity dynamic driver. Engineered from the ground up to deliver powerful performances from the smallest package, the T5-2 true wireless dynamic driver combines high output, neutral sound, and deep bass extension. The second generation T5 driver utilizes an all-new diaphragm with minimal thickness to enhance clarity and improve audio quality across the entire frequency spectrum. The T5-2 True Wireless provides 8 hours of battery life on a single charge and up to 24 additional hours with the charging case, giving you the freedom to take calls and listen all day long. The slim, pocket-friendly, brushed metal battery case not only charges your earphones, but protects them when not in use. Transparency mode. This mode is designed to allow sound from the outside world into your ears so you know what's going on around you. Beamforming microphones with CVC. 4 beamforming microphones integrated with clear voice chat automatically enhances your voice clarity and actively reduces environmental noise to ensure your calls are loud and clear. Digital Assistant ready. Instantly connect to the digital assistant of your choice with one press. Signal Boost external antenna delivers a high-quality, seamless connection between earphones and your device while minimizing the footprint in your ear. Bluetooth 5 easily pair to your device for a quick wireless connection. Sweat and water resistant. IP67 rated means these earphones will withstand the elements. Style, in-ear monitor, driver design, dynamic moving coil microspeaker, driver diameter 5.0 millimeters, mic and remote CVC 8.0 quad mic, frequency response 10 Hz to 19 kHz, noise isolation negative 22 decibels, input connections Bluetooth, battery in the earpieces 50 milliamp hours, battery charging case 360 milliamp hour, Bluetooth specification, version Bluetooth 5.0. Profiles A2DP 1.3, AVRCP 1.6, HSP 1.2, HFP 1.7, A2DP codecs, SBC, AAC, aptX. Range up to 10 meters or 33 feet. Input rating 5 volts DC, 1 amp. Battery status is available on iOS and Android battery status monitor. Colors available in gunmetal or silver. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you're interested in any Klipsch products, please contact us as we are authorized dealers for Klipsch. We can be reached at 972-905-0556, or you can email sales@puremediasystems.com. We'll have that down in the video below as well as in the description. If you're interested in any other products, home theater, automation, networking, anything like that, and we can work with you on design services and sell you the products and set it up for you if you're in the Dallas area. Like I said, if you are in the Dallas, Texas area, please give us a call to help with installation and design services or anything like that in the area. Again, we can be reached at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. If you enjoy videos like this, please consider subscribing and give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thanks.